Welcome to BIM and AI in Practice, your trusted source for mastering Autodesk Revit with clarity, confidence, and real-world efficiency. We're excited to have you back for another focused session in our Revit 2025 tutorial series. In this episode, we're diving deeper into the Annotate tab, a toolset that's essential for clear documentation, but often underutilized in day-to-day BIM workflows. Whether you're preparing detailed construction documents, or enhancing the graphic readability of your BIM model, the tools within the Annotate tab are crucial for maintaining accuracy, consistency, and design intent across the architectural, structural, and MEP disciplines. Even if you're already confident using Revit, this walkthrough will introduce practical ways to streamline your documentation workflows, increase model precision, and foster better coordination across AEC teams. At BIM and AI in Practice, we're committed to delivering hands-on, applicable content built around real industry challenges and solutions powered by Revit and AI-enhanced design thinking. Exploring the Spot Slope tool? Let's begin by looking at the Spot Slope tool, a feature that allows you to display the slope at a specific point along the face or edge of a model element. This tool is especially useful for sloped components like roofs, structural beams, and MEP piping systems. Spot slopes can be placed in plan, elevation, and section views, giving you the flexibility to communicate slope information wherever it's needed. There are two available types of slope representation. First, the arrow, which clearly points in the direction of the slope. Second, the triangle, which offers a compact alternative but is available only in elevation and section views, not in plan views. Adding a spot slope dimension. Now let's go through the steps to add a spot slope dimension in your project. First, on the Annotate tab, open the Dimension panel and click on Spot Slope. In the Type selector, choose the desired type of spot slope. Second, review the options bar. You can make several optional adjustments here. Choose your preferred slope representation, either arrow or triangle, depending on the view. Enter a value for offset from reference. This moves the spot slope annotation closer to or farther from the selected reference edge or surface. Third, move your cursor over an eligible model element, such as a sloped surface, and click to place the spot slope. Revit will display the slope value in real time as you hover. Finally, press ESC twice to complete the command. Customizing spot slope appearance. To ensure consistency across your documentation and align with project standards, you can customize the appearance of your spot slopes. First, select the spot slope and click Edit Type to open the Type Properties dialog. Second, locate the Units Format field and click the corresponding button to open the Format dialog. Third, choose the unit style that best fits your documentation needs, whether you want to show slope as a ratio, in degrees, or another format. Fourth, don't forget to add the appropriate unit symbol to make the slope values instantly recognizable. This is especially important when coordinating with teams across different disciplines or jurisdictions. Thank you for watching this episode of BIM and AI in Practice. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future tutorials designed to take your Revit skills to the next level.